Bum, bum, bum. Let's hope all this works. It's been a while. Bum, bum, bum. Power. Okay, so far so good. Hey there YouTube, how are we doing? Hope everyone's doing really well. If you've just stumbled across my video, my little corner of the internet, I am very grateful for you to be here watching this video. You might be thinking, what on earth is going on? This is a motovlogging channel. He's not on a bike, he's walking on a beach. We'll come to that in just a second. But yeah, if you've watched my videos before, or maybe you've subscribed to my videos a long time ago, and then suddenly there haven't been any for 2 years, you might have even forgotten you're still subscribed. But again, if you're watching this, I do really appreciate it. And if you stayed subscribed, live in the hope that videos might return one day, then hopefully this is the day you've been waiting for. But let's not fool ourselves, no one's been waiting for that. But yeah, it's time for season 2, I think. We're not going with calling this a comeback and all of that nonsense. It's season 2. So, since I last recorded a video, well, not since I last published a video, let's say, there's been quite a few changes for me personally. Some good, some bad, some good then bad, stuff like that. So, but one of the things I've wanted to do for a long time is get the channel back up and running again. And one of those changes, as you might have noticed, is that right now I'm not in Birmingham, so I'm not currently in Birmingham. So I've moved to Devon. So more specifically, right now I'm in North Devon. So I remember in a motovlog a while ago, all my motovlogs were a while ago. I remember saying at some point that all the best motovloggers live in the west, in the south or the southwest. So why not join them? No, that's not the reason I moved down here at all. But excuse me. But basically, about a year ago, just over a year ago now, I moved to Plymouth from Birmingham, and then moving down there was great. And then unfortunately changed circumstances, and then I've ended up moving into North Devon, which is, moving to Plymouth was a big change from living in Birmingham, and I've lived all over the country in my time. Moving to Plymouth was a bit of a big difference from that time, and now moving to North Devon is an even bigger difference. But that's something we'll go into in a future video. I've got quite a few future videos planned. But the reason for this video is more really to test my equipment, and I'm glad I did, because I've been trying to record this video for a couple of weeks now, but I've had so many problems. So my bike's been off the road, so that's a video that I'll go into more detail at another time in another video. My camera, I filmed this once, there was no audio, so then I had to diagnose whether the problem was with my camera, my microphone adapter. So it'll take all the steps to do that. Hopefully this one will work. I did at one point edit a video like this and then did the audio at home on my computer, but I'd prefer to do it, so I've had to wait for a sunny day to come back and try and recreate that video a little bit. And I'm in North Devon, and basically the reason I haven't been uploading videos is just, wasn't that I didn't want to do it, it's just that I focus my energies elsewhere, and I can be a bit unmotivated to do things sometimes, and when I get into something I generally throw all my energy into that, and you know, so other things get put by the wayside, or sometimes I can't dedicate enough energy to any of the things. I think has been a problem for a lot of things. But yeah, when I moved to Devon, the plan was to get the channel back up and running then. When I moved to Plymouth, I did actually consider trying to film the journey, because I had to ride my bike from Birmingham to Plymouth, and on no motorways. That's an interesting ride in the middle of February, or the end of February, in horrible weather. But unfortunately, that didn't work out. And then yeah, I've had multiple excuses that I could sit here and give, but yeah, but that's not going to be the case now. So I've got more time on my hands, and the thinking, my thought behind it is, one, I've had a few personal issues that I'm working on right now, and part of my plan to get myself back to being a better person, well, not back to being a better person, just to being a better person, is basically to one of the things I've been told to do is to start doing more things that I love, and one of the things I really love doing was making these videos. I'm not sitting there amazing, they're brilliant videos, but I do enjoy making them, and I do enjoy seeing that even one or two people have watched them. So to see videos where, I've had some videos where I've got thousands of views now, which I don't understand. But I appreciate, if I put this video up and it gets 2 viewers, I appreciate it. But yeah, I enjoy that creative process. So, I want to get back into that to help me. And I want to, I'm in one of the most beautiful parts of the country, if not the world, Where I'm in North Devon, there's some spectacular places from what I've seen online. I've visited a couple already, not that many. And I don't know anyone in this part of the world. I don't know this part of the world at all. So it's an opportunity for me to go out and explore, film some content, take you guys with me, so, I enjoy that. I enjoy going to places, taking photos and putting them on my Instagram, so obviously I can remember them in the future, because I'm getting on a bit, but, it's just nice. So that's the plan. The plan is, I've got a few videos planned. I'm going to find some nice views and some nice places to ride, and, so... But yeah, this video is a test, mainly, to see if I can remember how to edit it and stuff like that. I've done some editing of other bits and bobs that I've attempted to film that haven't quite come off yet and stuff, so I think that would be good to go. So hopefully very soon, we'll get some more videos going. And all being well, there's other motovloggers in this part of the world. So there were a couple in Birmingham, but they went in a very different direction to me, obviously tooting around on my 3-wheeled Tri-City. But yeah, there's a few other motovloggers around here I've had conversations with. They've been brilliant, really supportive when I've had problems, or and stuff like that, and that's amazing. So I'm hoping that maybe if I can get to a decent enough level or whatever, that I can do some collabs and just meet up and they can come and have a laugh at my bike. Usually people just say, can I have a go on it? But yeah, so I've waffled enough. I'll let you enjoy the beautiful view here, which is a couple of minutes from where I'm currently living. And I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. I won't ask you to like, comment and subscribe to this one, because I understand that people who've been here before are thinking, well, we'll never see another video from him again, or if this is your first time here, this is a very waffly video of a fat man walking on the beach with his helmet on. But yeah, there's more to come. They will be a fat man waffling, but on a bike. But yeah, until then, stay safe, people. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.